Hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is the chocolate break.
Chocolate break.
How are you doing?
Doing, how are you?
Good. I have some bad news.
What?
Are you feeling really good and happy?
No.
Good. Because, you know the last episode we did? Where that thing?
Yes.
There's another one on the way.
No.
I agree.
No.
So what I'm going to do once it's here, I'm going to see if there's a way for me to send it to a friend of mine in Kentucky. And he hunts things.
Like chocolate?
Squirrels and such. Animals. Well, I was thinking maybe he could hunt the box. Maybe he has an elephant. He might hunt. I don't know. He might hunt elephants. But he could hunt the box and kill the box. So, these are desperate times requiring desperate measures. Very extreme things happening. But in those kind of times, what vanquishes all pain?
A good night's sleep.
Yeah. And chocolate.
And chocolate.
Do you have chocolate?
I do.
Well, let's see.
It's made of Dolfin.
Dolphin?
Yeah, it's like Dolphin and it's chocolate with fig and vanilla salt from Madagascar flavored.
Did you hunt it?
No, I don't hunt.
Well, let's eat it.
Okay.
Now, is this possibly a baby dolphin?
I hope not.
Yeah.
That's sad.
Well, babies taste the best. Lamb, veal, human. It's all the same to me.
There you go.
Okay. Dark fig?
Dark fig and vanilla sea salt or something like that. Go.
Cheers. Your thoughts?
I get the dark and then a tiny touch of sea salt at the end, but that's it.
I think the little crunchy bits are the fig.
But it doesn't taste like anything.
It's not bad. I mean, it's okay
Not
chocolate.
good.
It doesn't make me jump.
I don't like it.
What do you score it as?
0.
I'll give it a 1. It reminds me too much of Baker's chocolate. Okay.
Well, do you have a chocolate? Do you have a chocolate? Do you have a chocolate? Do you have a chocolate?
I do. I have chocolate.
Eat more.
Eat more. I never have had one of these. These are from Canada. And I remember seeing advertisements for them when I was wee and on the television. And it just struck me as, oh, this is melted.
No, I think that's just how it is.
Eat more.
You eat more. Looks like a turd.
Oh, this looks like more than a turd. This is melted. I'll let you cut it. I'll let you.
Oh, you're so kind.
I'm a benevolent person.
Well, what is it supposed to be? It's dark toffee peanut chew.
It's gonna be chewy.
Not
Cheers.
It's really not that chewy. Now you're being silly. It's not that chewy.
What do you think of the flavor?
It's a lot of peanut.
It is. There's a lot of gravel going on.
Maybe give it a 2. Not bad.
Honestly, I really like that, and I could totally scarf down the rest of that bar. I really like the flavor. The only downside is the peanut. I'll give it a 3. And with that, we bring forth a new era of the chocolate break. We're done with the horrible boxes, and now we move on to pure chewing satisfaction. With that, again, we give you what you want. Thank you, and goodbye.
Goodbye.